Hello guys and welcome to Different Russia channel. Today will be almost the final episode from a Moscow new apartment where Alex made some renovations. So guys, I may understand that the majority of you live in your private houses with many rooms, with many, I don't know, bedrooms, bathrooms. But in big cities where people live in apartments, they pay a lot for the rent. And that is why very small apartments are very popular. And in such small apartments, usually only 1 or 2 rooms. And of course, if you have 1 room, that is the room for everything. So here is nothing special. So this sofa becomes big and even 2 people may sleep here, not a problem. So the balcony, guys. The balcony was a big problem because of this particular window. Here was a very bad window and Alex had to find the company to put the new windows here. The problem in this particular apartment was with the windows. You see, the windows are on 2 floors, so 2-storied windows, and it's a problem to change them. So here you may see the small ones, so it's not a problem, any company is doing it. But as for such big balcony windows, it was a huge problem. Because you must change not only in your apartment, but also not to spoil the apartment above or under you. So that was a huge problem, guys. There you may see the road. And the road is pretty noisy. That is why windows are of high quality to make the apartment without noises. Also here and in the bathroom, warm floors. Here they are switched on, off, so it is possible to make the floor warm here. And also on the balcony, a small wardrobe for for cleaning, everything for cleaning, for ironing. So that is the dryer for clothes. So also, if necessary, here may be big suitcases or clothes, not a problem. Alex is busy with some documents and is making noise. Alex, you make too much noise. Now, guys, I will show you the devices here. That is the built-in fridge. For 1 person, that is more than enough. And that is for frozen food. As for the cabinets, nothing special here, just the shelves.
Холодильник тихий.
Yeah. Alex says the fridge is very silent. That was very important because the apartment is very small and there is no place where you can hide and sleep. So you sleep here and you hear all the noises. That is why the fridge and the air conditioner are very quiet. Alex paid a little bit more for this option, but he chose very, very silent devices. And that is, guys, the oven. And some shelves here. Here, guys, nothing special. That is for dishes, to dry cups. That is the box for spoons, forks, knives. I don't know how it is called in English. Here is a special system that makes the door close very, very quiet. It doesn't matter how hard you push. So the system won't let the door close unexpectedly. The big wardrobe. There was an episode how we bought it. Alex tried to choose the minimum investment into it, so he tried to save money. And that is, guys, for the jackets. Alex, show the meters.
Что?
Open the door. That is, guys, the electricity, the special box to control the electricity, the lamps, the sockets, and over there is internet. That is internet. Many people here have mobile internet and they do not need it. But mobile internet may be not very fast, so some problems with it. That is why cable internet is not better, but well, it's preferable in the apartment. So if a person has a problem with a mobile phone, he can use the internet in the apartment. As for the lamps, guys, here Alex installed many small and big lamps. And these lamps may be controlled from different parts of the apartment. So that is, guys, the heating system. It can be controlled, so the system is regulated. If it is too hot, it may be switched off, so that is the controller. It's not a problem that the heating system very close battery, heating battery to the sofa. It's not a problem. No fire will occur because of this. So air conditioner is very necessary because here during the summer period is rather hot. So during the winter time it's not necessary, but during summer without air conditioner it is difficult to live in such apartments. Он может на тепло работать?
Да.
Also, guys, if the heating system doesn't work, because you cannot control it 100%. The company, the maintenance company, they give the heat to the apartment. So if they do not give heat, you cannot control it. So you have to wait when the company, maintenance company, gives you the heat to the apartment. But if it is cold for you and this battery doesn't work, then you may use air conditioner to make the apartment warm. So this air conditioner may heat the air and cool the air. So I think, guys, in this room we have looked at everything. I don't know whether I told you about this glass or not. So that is the glass to protect the table. Every surface here has the glass. What I personally do not like here, these corners, guys. I think Alex made a mistake and these corners are a little bit sharp. I think it was necessary to make them round. And also here the sharp edges. But with this glass, guys, so it looks more presentable. Besides, the glass protects the furniture rather good. So guys, now the bathroom. The bathroom here, guys, is combined with the toilet. In one room apartments, that is a must. In two room apartments, so the toilet is separated from the bathroom usually, but here is one big room, one big space. What is here? The bathtub, pretty big. The shower, that is the light, it works. The water, everything works. That is a small storage. For towels. Also, this part may be hot, and the towels, so they dry very fast. The small cabinet and the washing machine. We do not have dryers, usually do not have dryers in the apartments, and people dry on the balcony usually. And over there, Alex will show you the taps to control the water.
Элеватор называется. Элеватор называется.
Элеватор — это у них лифт. So, the floor here and on the balcony is warm. Alex will show you how it works. Как включается.
Снизу кнопочка.
The bottom, it's a
Нажать и держать.
bottom. And to control the electricity, so it may be turned off.